question 3 is a long division question. So I want to start by setting this up for the long division. Okay, so with the long division, we kind of have to look at just the first term sometimes here, and then sometimes all of it. So the first term would be 2x, and I'm just looking at the 2x cubed. And I need to ask myself, what do I need to multiply 2x by to get 2x cubed? And I would need to multiply 2x by an x squared to get a 2x cubed. So that x squared I'm going to put above the x squared here. And then I need to multiply this by both of these terms. So that's going to be 2x cubed plus 3x squared. And I'm going to now subtract these. My first terms go away. My first term should always go away. So if I indeed pick the correct number here, then these first terms should always go away in the subtraction. 13x squared minus 3x squared is going to give me 10x squared. Then I'm bringing down the plus 9x, and I'm starting over. So what do I need to multiply 2x by to get 10x squared? And that would be a 5x. So I'm putting a plus 5x here, and then I'm multiplying 5x by both of these. So that's going to give me 10x squared plus 15x, and I'm subtracting them. Again, these go away. These should always go away. And 9 minus 15 is going to give me negative 6x, and then I want to bring down the minus 6, and I want to start over. So what do I need to multiply 2x by to get negative 6x? You would have to multiply it by a negative 3. So I'm going to put a negative 3 here. And then I want to multiply negative 3 by both of those. And that's going to get you a negative 6x minus 9. And if you subtract these, the first terms go away, like they always should. Negative 6 minus minus 9 is negative 6 plus 9. So that will give you a 3. And that is a remainder, so I want to put plus 3 and then put it over 2x plus 3 because that's what I'm dividing by. So this would be your final answer.